I really think that it's important to know enough about most things in real estate, but there are some people that I have spoken with that are doing so much research in trying to get ready for investing in real estate, like trying to memorize the tax benefits, trying to strategize plans, uh, thinking through like the legal structure, the LLCs, and trying to like read all this stuff on their own, like whether they should be an LLC, do a trust, do a land trust. And I really think that all of these things should be left up to the professionals. I think you should get a decent team together of professional people because inevitably it seems like one of the areas that people don't research at all are insurance. And I can say that from having the insurance agency that specifically writes insurance for real estate investors. You can't possibly do enough planning or enough educating of yourself to be an expert in all the areas necessary for this real estate investing business to go smoothly.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.